Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this today video, we will discuss the important current affairs in the month of April, part 1. It contains top 50 important questions. We start. Find the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Dubai-based cricket coaching academy. Cricket Kingdom. Answer is Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma has been appointed as brand ambassador for Dubai-based cricket coaching academy, Cricket Kingdom. Rohit Sharma is a Indian cricket player. Next, how many locomotives was made by Chittaranjan Locomotive Works of Indian Railways in the financial year 20 to create world record? Answer is 431 locomotives. 431 locomotives was made by the Chittaranjan Locomotives and it creates world record. Next, name the Indian NGO which has won the Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship 2020 for its exceptional work in the maternal and child health space in India. Answer is Arman. Arman is the Indian NGO which has won the Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship 2020. Next, name the private sector bank which has acquired 6.43% stake in Reliance Capital for 252 crore. Answer is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has recently acquired 6.43% stake in Reliance Capital for 252 crores. The headquarters of HDFC Bank is Mumbai. Next, what is the name of military satellite which was launched by Iran recently? Answer is Noor. Noor is the military satellite which was launched by Iran. The capital of Iran is Tehran and Prime Minister of Iran is Hassan Rouhani. Next, name the Indian ministry which has launched the portal named Stranded in India. Stranded in India is a portal which is launched by. Answer is Ministry of Tourism. Recently, Tourism Minister has launched Stranded in India for tourist. The Union Minister of Ministry of Tourism is Prahalad Singh Patel. Next, name the coronavirus risk tracking app which was launched by Government of India. Answer is Corona Kavach. Corona Kavach is a coronavirus risk tracking app which is jointly developed by Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology is Ravi Shankar Prasad and Minister for Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is Dr. Harshavardhan. Next, name the person who headed the team which developed coronavirus testing kit called MyLab PathoDetect COVID-19 Qualitative PCR Kit. Answer is Minal Dakave Bhosle. Minal Dakave Bhosle or MD Bhosle, head of the team which developed coronavirus testing kit called MyLab PathoDetect COVID-19 Qualitative PCR Kit. Next, find the Indian state which has launched the app Self-Declaration COVID-19. Self-Declaration COVID-19 app which is launched by Nagaland state government. The chief minister of Nagaland is Nepurio. Next, name the mission that was launched by NASA to study giant solar practical storms. Answer is Sunrise. Sunrise is the mission which is launched by NASA. The headquarter of NASA is Washington DC, and present director of NASA is Jim Bridenstine. The establishment year of NASA is 1958. Next, name the Indian state which launched the Pragyam app to issue e-passes for essentials deliveries during lockdown. Answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand state has launched Pragyam app to issue e-passes for essential deliveries during lockdown. The chief minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren and governor is Draupadi Murmu. Next, what is the official dedicated Twitter handle for COVID-19 launched by Information and Broadcasting Minister? Answer is @COVID News by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. This is the Twitter handle for COVID-19 launched by Information and Broadcasting Minister. The present Union Minister is Prakash Javadekar. Next, which Indian institute has developed the prototype for indigenous ventilator under Project Prana? Answer is Project Prana, IISc Bengaluru. Next, name the organization which developed a biosuit with self-sealing seam to keep health professional fighting COVID-19. Answer is DRDO. DRDO developed a biosuit with self-sealing seam to keep health professionals. The headquarter of DRDO is New Delhi and chairman is Satish Reddy. The establishment year of DRDO is 1958. Next, name the app which was tested by the government to locate quarantine violators. Answer is geofencing. Geofencing is app which is tested by government to locate quarantine violators. Next, name the transport aggregator app developed by National Informatics Center which was launched by Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar for farmers. Answer is Kisan Rath. Kisan Rath is an aggregator app which is launched by Agriculture Minister. Next, name the company which has launched new virtual braille keyboard named TalkBack. TalkBack is a new virtual braille keyboard which is launched by Google. The headquarter of Google is California, US, and Google CEO is Sundar Pichai. Next, which Indian state is going to use Assess Corona app for deliver door-to-door survey containment zones? Answer is Delhi. Present Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. Next, under which following Google has launched Nearby Spot to help user find local stores selling essentials? Answer is Google Pay. Google has launched Nearby Spot to help users find local stores selling essential? Answer is Google Pay. Next, what is the name of high pressure ventilator which was developed by US Space Agency NASA to fight COVID-19? Answer is Vital. Next, India Institute of Information Technology and Management of which state has developed semantic search engine Vilokana to enable researchers to get deeper insights into specific studies? Answer is Kerala. Next, name the Indian institute which has developed dashboard named Prakriti to predict the spread of COVID-19 in India. Answer is IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi has developed a dashboard named Prakriti to predict the spread of COVID-19 in India. Next, mobile app named COVID Pharma to trace people buying medicine for fever, cold, which was launched by which state in India? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh state government has launched an app, name is COVID Pharma, to trace people buying medicine for fever, cold. Next, name the country which hosts the third edition of Asian Youth Games 2021. Answer is China. China hosts third edition of Asian Youth Games in 2021. Next, name the country which is going to host Asian Boxing Championship 2020 in November-December 2020. Answer is India. India hosts Asian Boxing Championship 2020 in November and December in the year 2020. Next, name the person who authored the book titled The Enlightenment of Green Age Tree. The Enlightenment of Green Age Tree, which is authored by Sokufe Ajar. Sokufe Ajar authored the book titled The Enlightenment of Green Age Tree. Next, Maria Theresa, who passes away due to COVID-19, is the princess of which country? Answer is Spain. Maria Theresa is the prince of Spain. The capital of Spain is Madrid and Prime Minister of Spain is Pedro Sanchez. Next, the theme for World Autism Awareness Day 2020 is the transition to adulthood. The day is celebrated annually on April 2. Next, as per the IMF International Monetary Fund's latest report, name the countries which will have positive growth in 2020. Answer is both 1 and 2. India and China have positive growth rate in 2020 as per the IMF latest report. The headquarter of IMF is Washington DC and present IMF Director General is Kristalina Georgieva. Next, the Asian Development Bank has approved to provide USD $346 loan for which state to provide better power connection in rural areas? Answer is Maharashtra. Present Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. Next, Name the first non-bank company which gets RBI node to enter into co-branding agreements for prepaid instruments. Answer is Transcorp International Limited. Transcorp International Limited is the first non-banking company which gets RBI node to enter into co-branding agreements for prepaid instruments. Next, SIDBI has launched special liquidity scheme to support MSME during lockdown. Where is the headquarters of SIDBI? Answer is Lucknow. Lucknow is the headquarters of SIDBI. SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. Present chairman of SIDBI is Muhammad Mustafa. Next, to which Indian state the World Bank has approved 585 crore for upgradation of roads and modernization of public work department? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. To Himachal Pradesh state government, World Bank has approved 585 crore for upgradation of roads and modernization of public work departments. The Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur and Governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Next, which Indian public sector bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector? Answer is Indian Overseas Bank. Indian Overseas Bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector. The headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank is Chennai. Next, which payment bank of India has collaborated with MasterCard to issue virtual and physical debit cards? Answer is Paytm Payment Bank. The headquarters of Paytm is Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and founder is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Paytm parent organization is 197 Communications Limited. Next, RBI has cancelled the license to conduct banking business of which urban cooperative bank? Answer is Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. Recently, RBI has cancelled license for this cooperative bank. It is in the state of Goa. Next, what is the revised ways and means advances limit for central government for first half of financial year 21? Answer is 2 lakh crore. Next, name the bank which was launched safety grid campaign for social distancing. Answer is HDFC Bank. Recently, HDFC Bank has launched safety grid campaign for social distancing. The headquarters of HDFC Bank is Mumbai and chairman is Deepa Parekh. Next, name the small finance bank which launched digital banking platform named DigiGen. Answer is Jana Small Finance Bank. Recently, Jana Small Finance Bank has launched digital banking platform named DigiGen. The headquarters of Jana Small Finance Bank is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next, which state government has launched Jeevan Amrut Yojana scheme to boost the immune system of people to fight COVID-19? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, which Indian state CM has relaunched zero interest loan scheme for women self-help groups? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandran. Next, the government has extended crop loan interest up to how much for farmers till May 31st, 2020? Answer is 3 lakh. Up to 3 lakh rupees crop loan interest has been extended by Government of India. Next, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has participated second extraordinary G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governor meeting. Which country assumes G20 presidency for 2020? Answer is Saudi Arabia. In the year 2020, Saudi Arabia will host G20 meeting. Next, what is the limit for a person resides in Jammu and Kashmir to become permanent resident of Union Territory as per revised norms? Answer is 15 years. Next, Ministry of Civil Aviation has launched Lifeline Udan flights for movement of medical and essential supplies across India 6 days. Who is the present Civil Aviation Minister? Answer is Hardeep Singh Puri. Next, name the Indian state which proposed to buy naval contraption portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh state government has proposed to buy novel contraption portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. Next, in collaboration with which world organization Odisha has launched Mo Pratibha program to engage kids during lockdown? Answer is UNICEF. The headquarters of UNICEF is New York, USA, and project director is Henrietta H. Fore. Henrietta H. Fore is the director of UNICEF. Next, name the hackathon launched by Sanjay Dhotre, MOS, HRD and IT to solve the problems due to COVID-19. Answer is Hack the Crisis India. Next, name the initiative launched by Civil Service Officers Association to fight COVID-19. Answer is Karuna. Full form of Karuna is Civil Services Associations reach to support in natural disasters. Next, find the operation which was conducted by Indian Air Force to transport 6.2 tons of essential medicines to Maldives. Answer is Operation Sanjeevani. Capital of Maldives is Male. Friends, these are the most important top 50 current affairs in the month of April, part 1. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.